following is a Dave Madsen Summer Classics video. It may contain content, language, flashing lights, and/or loud noises, which may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Dave Madsen Entertainment Inc. presents Dave Madsen Summer Classics.
The M78 Part 3 presents the NBC Sneakers Severy Sneezing Fit. Gesundheit. Gesundheit. I said Gesundheit. Alright already. Mr. Peacock, look like you have a bad cold. You should have some pepper. I think you need a doctor, Mr. Peacock. Oh, knock it off. Stop sneezing. Why are you not sneezing? Well, phew, that's a relief. Not again. Where's my handkerchief? I almost stopped it because of an clean handkerchief I got. No, it didn't. There's sneakers now on my clean floor. Maybe you need a little sneezing powder. My mistake. That's not sneezing powder, that's gunpowder. Look out, everybody. My breath's gonna blow. Boo! I warned him. He wouldn't listen, as he stopped the sneezing fit. Wise guy! I see many cemetery party productions.
This has been a Dave Madsen Entertainment Inc. production.